Welcome back to Always Dolls, and thanks for joining us.
Today, we'll be decorating our new bedroom cottagecore themed.
The room has a comfy, cozy feel using pastel colours with gold accents and an organic floral design. We noticed the back wall had rips in it from taking down previous posters, so we decided to make a feature shiplap wall using white poster board and a grey pencil. It's super easy to do. Just draw a series of straight lines using the width of your ruler all the way down the poster board. Adhere the poster board to the wall with double-sided tape so it can be removed later if desired. For a rug, we chose to use the large bedspread from Molly's Yellow Bed. It has a pretty floral design. In the corner, we have placed our DIY hutch since it has a country cottage aesthetic. In the top shelf, we are placing this gold mini clock. In the shelves below, we put these mini picture frames and decorated them with stickers using the same pastel colours. To fill the narrow wall space next to the hutch, we reused the rainbow and cloud pictures from our unicorn bedroom. Under the window, we have Kristen's historical bedside table, and we've filled it with accessories from Carissa's sewing table. I really like the floral motif on the front of the door. To decorate, we have another mini picture frame and a picture filled with flowers. We'll leave the link to this craft in the description box below. We've also added a mini figurine and one of our DIY candles from our 2020 decor video. Next to the table, we have put matching flowers in a white pot.
Now we are adding Rebecca's retired gold and pink bed. With a blanket and some pillows, we used this pink polka dotted piece of fabric. We found this doll bedding set at Kmart and we thought the pillows would be perfect for this room. We also added white and lace pillows as well as a golden heart. We used this faux fur as a blanket over the top.
Here we took a crocheted doily and tied it to a silver hoop to make a textured wall art for above the bed. For a vanity, we are using Carissa's powder blue sewing table. On top, we have a mirror. It's decorated with pink and white paper flowers. The lamp is from our DIY day and nightstand. We just changed the scrapbooking paper for the shade. We took an empty glitter jar and cut up real beauty sponges to make mini ones for our dolls. Hot glue a clear bead to the top and it's perfect for a bedroom or bathroom. Here we took a glass candle holder and turned it into a tray for our dolls' jewellery and hair clips.
The shelf here, we added a basket from Julie's collection that was previously green and spray painted it white. We added some handbags and our Chanel makeup as well as our Valentine's Tiffany bracelet. So added Grace's bistro chair because it matches the room.
For a wall shelf, we covered scraps of foam board in wood grain contact paper and hot glued it to the wall. We added more accessories in blue, white, pink and gold. And upcycled last year's calendar to make a mini one perfect for our dolls. We hope you enjoyed watching us decorate this cottagecore inspired bedroom. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. See you soon for more miniature crafting fun!